Hi Louise and Henryk, it's Marcus here at Georgetown Kia. Just giving you a quick tutorial on how to use a few things like adding the miles per hour to the speedometer. And that's all done through the driver information center right here in the middle of your speedometer. And you use these controls here, the page button here, this scroll will scroll through different menus in each page. So this is the tabs in the first page, and then if I press this button here, it goes on into the next pages and so on. So going into user settings, you want to go into other features, and then down here where it says speedometer subscale, you click that one, and there you go. It adds the miles per hour to the speedometer for you. And then you have other options like fuel economy auto reset. That one is right now set to automatically reset your average fuel consumption when you put fuel in the tank. You can set it so it's every ignition, or turn it off so it never resets and gives you a lifetime average. Then there's your wiper and lights display, so every time you adjust your headlights or your wipers, it shows up in a pop-up on the screen. And to demonstrate, we'll go back here and change your headlights. So every time you adjust your headlights, when you adjust your wipers, and for your wipers, this is your intermittent, and then you have all these intermittent speeds, and it shows you right there. And then going back into the user settings, you have driving assist. So this is for your rear cross traffic alert to turn it on or off. It is now on. The door and tailgate automatic lock, unlock, two press unlock. So when that one's active, you have to press the unlock twice to unlock all the doors. Once will be just the driver's door. Right now it is set for one press to unlock everything. And then your power tailgate is active, and the smart power tailgate is active. Now the smart tailgate, that one will automatically open the tailgate. Once you're standing behind the vehicle with the smart key for about 3 seconds, you'll hear the car beep a few times, and then after 3 beeps, it opens the tailgate for you. This function only works when the vehicle has been off and locked for, I haven't been able to figure out the exact time, but I would say at least 10 or 15 minutes. The purpose of it is to open when your hands are full. So if you've just driven the car and you've just exited the car and turned it off, locked it, it is not going to automatically open until after the car's been off for a while, because again, the idea is that you're coming to the car with your hands full, and then it opens. If you've just gotten out of the driver's seat from driving the car assumes that your hands are free. And there's also the button down here that you can use to open it up directly. And then there are other settings as well. Service interval, seat and steering. So the seat easy access, it rolls back the seat when you shut it off, giving you an easier way to get in and out. And then when you get back in and start it, the seat goes back to your original position. And then sound is for your parking sensors, the blind spot detection, and also a welcome sound, which I'm going to turn on because it's kind of cool. It plays a little chime for you when you get in the car. Then you have your navigation system, and you have the controls on the side here. This one will bring the map up for you, and Navi will give you more options. So you can enter an address, look up previous destinations, point of interest categories, gas stations, restaurants, etc. And then you have your phone tab here, so you can pair phones with the car. And FM AM, Sirius satellite radio, media for your USB auxiliary CD player, and Bluetooth wireless streaming. We have our dual climate control, driver's temperature, passenger's temperature, fan speed, front defrost, and rear defrost. This one will also activate the side view mirror heaters. And then down modes, so this one will cycle through all the different modes for you. Then your air-cooled seating, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then these are the passenger side. USB auxiliary ports down below, your drive mode selector, which will give you See there it says Eco, Sport, and then nothing means normal. So each drive mode adjusts the engine, transmission, and steering accordingly. And then this one is your all-wheel drive lock, and you notice there that that light there indicates that the all-wheel drive is locked into a 50/50. Now I'm going to cut this video short, otherwise I'll never be able to upload it online for you. If you have any questions about anything else, I am happy to demonstrate. Otherwise,